Hello all, welcome to Genius channel. We are going to see some previous year Nda Maths question. See the question number 45, all of you. 45. Read it. A spherical balloon of radius r subtends an angle alpha at the eye of the observer, while the angle of elevation of its center is beta. What is the height of the center of the balloon? Neglecting the height of the observer. All of you try to draw. If any figure is required, let's draw the figure. Try to solve it. Spherical balloon of radius r. So there is a spherical balloon of radius r. It subtends an angle alpha at the eye of the observer. Subtends an angle alpha at the eye of the observer. Eye of the observer. So that means subtending means how would you draw? Like this, isn't it? Subtending means like this. So if this is the eye of the observer, it is subtending an angle alpha at the eye of the observer. While the angle of elevation of its center, so this is the center means elevation. So this is ground, this is ground. Angle of elevation of center means this angle. That angle is beta. Beta. Now what they are saying, what is the height of the center of the balloon? You have to find the height of the center of the balloon. Height means this distance you have to find out. This height you have to find out. Height of the center of the balloon is what you have to find out. And they are given the radius is r. Radius is r. Okay. Neglecting the height of the observer. Height of the center of the balloon you have to find out. So try. So can I write this portion as alpha by 2 and this as alpha by 2? Because this is the angle subtended by this sphere, and this is present on both this radius on either side of radius. So it will be equal angles, isn't it? It will be equal angles. Okay. Now, can I write sine alpha by 2? Sine alpha by 2. Sine alpha by 2. What is sine alpha by 2? Sine alpha by 2 is equal to, I'm just marking all these points as, here I have an O sender. So I'm marking A here. I'm marking L here, B here, and I'm marking here this point is P. Then from the first triangle, this triangle, can I write sine alpha by 2? Sine alpha by 2 is opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite is R by hypotenuse is OP. Okay, R by OP. Now, just write sine beta because I'm having in the option sine alpha, sine beta, etc. So write sine beta opposite by hypotenuse, that is OL, that is the height that you have to find out, this OL, that is the height you have to find out. So H divided Okay, so we have written sine alpha by 2. Sine alpha by 2 is equal to R by OP. Sine beta is equal to H by OP. Okay, so we have to find the distance of sender O from the ground. Okay, so we have to find H. So R by OP is there. So we can write OP is equal to, from the first equation, we can write OP is equal to R by sine alpha by 2. R by sine alpha by 2. So substitute that here. So sine beta is equal to, substitute in this equation, sine beta is equal to H by OP. So OP is what? R by sine alpha by 2. So that will become H by R. Sine alpha by 2 will go to the top. Sine alpha by 2. So sine beta is equal to H by R sine alpha by 2. So we need height H, isn't it? Sine beta is equal to H by R sine alpha by 2. So take this R to this side, you'll get R sine beta divided by sine alpha by 2. H is equal to R sine beta divided by sine alpha by 2. So answer is option A. Option A. So we have just did a few steps. That is, first we wrote what is sine alpha by 2. Then we wrote sine beta. Then we took OP from the first equation and substituted that in the second equation. Then we have found out H. H is what they are asking you to find, height of the sender. Okay. So moving on to the next question. Question number 46. Question number 46. If sine x plus y by sine x minus y is equal to a plus b divided by a minus b, then what is tan x by tan y? And the options are in terms of a and b. So they have given sine x plus y by sine x minus y is equal to a plus b by a minus b. So try please. You can use componendo dividendo method here. Componendo dividendo method. So on applying componendo dividendo method, we can rewrite this as sine x plus y. Then write denominator also sine x plus y. Add the denominator part. So that will become sine x minus y by sine x minus y. So that is equal to a plus b plus a minus b divided by a plus b minus a minus b. Okay. Now what is the formula for sine x plus y plus sine x minus y? Sine x plus sine y. What is sine a plus sine b? Sine a plus sine b is equal to 2 sine a plus b by 2. 2 sine a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. Isn't it? So apply that this side. That will become 2 sine x plus y plus x minus y. That will become 2x by 2. So that is x cos x plus y minus x minus y. So that will become 2y divided by 2. So that is y. Similarly, apply the formula for sine a minus sine b. What is sine a minus sine b? Sine a minus sine b is 2 cos a plus b by 2 sine a minus b by 2. So put in this equation, you will get 2 cos x sin y. So whatever is common, you can cancel, but you could see nothing common here. See, similarly, you have to solve this side also. So this side will become this side will become 2a, isn't it? 2a divided by this side will become 2b. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So what you will be getting? So this will become tan x divided by tan y, isn't it? Divided by tan y is equal to a by b. Tan x divided by tan y is equal to a by b. Option A. See, because sin by cos is tan, then here cos by sin, that will become cos. So when taking that to the down denominator, it will become tan y. So tan x by tan y is equal to a by b. Okay. Option A is the correct answer. Go to the next question. Question number 47. If sin alpha plus sin beta is equal to 0 is equal to cos alpha plus cos beta, where 0 less than beta less than alpha less than 2 pi, which one of the following is correct? If sin alpha plus sin beta is equal to 0 is equal to cos alpha plus cos beta, where 0 less than alpha beta less than alpha less than 2 pi, then which one of the following is correct? So how can we proceed? See what they have given. They have given sin alpha plus sin beta is equal to 0. Similarly, cos alpha plus cos beta is equal to 0. So I'm going to square both sides and add. Square both sides and I'm going to add. So that will become sin square alpha plus 2 sin alpha sin beta plus sin square beta plus cos square alpha plus 2 cos alpha cos beta plus cos square beta, that is equal to 0. So sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, that will become 1. Sin square beta plus cos square beta will become again 1 plus 2 sin alpha sin beta plus 2 cos alpha cos beta is equal to 0. So listen, if I take this 2 plus take a 2 common, it will become sin alpha sin beta plus cos alpha cos beta, that is equal to 0. So taking this 2 to the other side, that will become negative 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, isn't it? So 0 minus 2, negative 2 and this 2 I can cancel. So here there will be a negative 1 and see sin alpha sin beta plus cos alpha cos beta, that is equation for cos alpha minus beta, isn't it? So cos alpha minus beta is equal to negative 1. Take this 2 to the other side, okay, and cancel with this 2. So you'll get negative 1. So cos alpha minus beta is equal to negative 1. Tell me whose cos is negative 1. It is for pi, isn't it? 180 degree. You have cos alpha, cos value is negative 1. So we can write cos pi is negative 1. So we have got here alpha minus beta is equal to pi, isn't it? So alpha is equal to beta plus pi or pi plus beta. So the answer for this question is alpha is equal to beta plus pi or pi plus beta, option B. So moving on to the next question. Question number 48. Question number 48. Suppose cos A is given if any one value of cos A by 2 is possible. If only one value of cos A by 2 is possible, then A must be. Suppose cos A is given if only one value of cos A by 2 is possible, then A must be. A must be. See, we know that cos A can be written as 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1, isn't it? Why? Because cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1, isn't it? Cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. So that means if x is coming here, 2x is coming. So if x is coming here, here it should be. If A is coming here, it should be A by 2, isn't it? So here they have given cos A is given. If only one value of cos A by 2 is possible, then A must be. Options are odd multiple of 90, a multiple of 90, and odd multiple of 180, a multiple of 180 degree. So here if A by 2 should have only one value, means if A by 2 should have only one value, then A should be odd multiple of 180. A should be odd multiple of 180. Odd multiple of 180, option C. Option C is the correct answer. Moving to the next question. Question number 49. Question number 49. What they have given? Cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is equal to 0. 0 less than alpha less than pi by 2 is equal to pi by 2. 0 less than beta less than or equal to pi by 2. 0 less than gamma less than pi less than or equal to pi by 2. What is the value of sine alpha plus sine beta plus sine gamma? Very easy question. Because we have given cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is equal to 0. So, can I write it as cos pi by 2 plus cos pi by 2 plus cos pi by 2 is equal to 0? Because I know cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. So, that is alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to pi by 2. Then in that case, what you need to find the value of sine alpha plus sine beta plus sine gamma. So sine alpha means sine pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 is 1, isn't it? Sine pi by 2 is 1. Plus sine pi by 2 again 1 plus 1. So answer is 3. Option B. Option B is the correct answer. So thanks for watching Genius channel. We'll see in another video with more questions.